Hey everybody, I'm Jonathan.
And I'm Chandler.
And this is Damaged Darts, where we specialize in converting ordinary Nerf blasters into extraordinary, prop-worthy blasters from popular video games and movies, and show you how you can do it too. If you like what you see on this channel, won't you be so kind as to smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, leave a thumbs up like, and a positive comment below. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing review of the Nerf Fortnite Scar. Alright, so let's get this baby open. Let's grab a knife here.
The box cutter knife here.
Let's me.
Slice it open here. Alright.
Okay.
Hold on, the batteries here, they're rolling around.
Yep. Alright. So here we go. Got the instructions.
We don't need those.
Let's see, it comes. So here's what it looks like, everybody. We take it out of the box. We've got the Scar, of course, and we get the little baggie of 20 rounds, 20 darts, I believe.
Here's the curved clip here.
Awesome.
And it's got the Fortnite llama right there.
Oh yeah, that's fun.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Grab the box knife here. I'm going to carefully slice this. And that.
Alright, I got it. Peel that off.
Alright, oh,
one more. Pop that out.
Okay.
There we go. Right there. There it is.
Toss that side.
Just gonna pop this in just for looks here.
Yeah.
So,
Hear that?
that is awesome.
What do you want to load? Let's load the batteries in.
Yeah, let's see. The batteries go right here on this side.
Yep, and it takes 4 AA batteries on this.
Pop these in real quick.
You're gonna need a screwdriver also, a little Phillips screwdriver.
And 1, 2, 3, and 4. There we go. Screw this back in. Alright. So there we go.
Alright.
There we go.
I hear it coming.
That's a pretty good rev.
Yeah. And we are going to demo this outside in our little hallway firing range shortly, but let's talk a little bit about the Fortnite Scar. Alright, so a little bit about this, the Fortnite Scar. It is pretty much a Strife reskin. So a Strife reskin, looking at Strife. What I was really hoping for is that it would be more of a full auto modulus or sort of like a Nerf Rapid Strike with the dart pusher, and that would give it, I think that would have given it more of a realistic operation, as this is, you know, a full auto rifle.
Yeah, that would have been a lot more cool.
I think it's really, I think that might be the only con about this.
Otherwise, it's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's super stellar. My theory as to why they might have done that is they were running out of time. They needed to get it out really quick in stores. So hey, put a Strife kit in there and get it out. Or it was more of a business idea, maybe. That they wanted to, that it was a little more labor, a little more cost to put that whole Rapid Strike system in there, and they knew they were going to make, buku bucks off this because it's a Fortnite gun, and then save a little bit by just putting in the standard Strife fixtures. But that's just me. That's just some theories I have as to why it was a Strife reskin. But yeah, again, super awesome. We do plan on doing a full modification, so stay tuned for our video on that. We're going to mod the insides. We're going to do more of a budget mod of the insides for you guys.
Yeah, under $100.
Yeah.
Or less than that.
Or less. I think what we're going to be putting in there is around $20-something for the mods on the inside. And we are, of course, going to be doing a full cosmetic makeover of this to matching
it look exactly like the one in the video game.
Yep, exactly like the video game. So let's go ahead and we've got the batteries in here. Let's put the 20 rounds in the mag.
We'll load them up out there.
And we're gonna set outside. We're gonna take it outside over there and shoot it down range and see what this baby can do. Alright everybody, we're out here in the hallway and we're going to be firing down range at the Bunker Battle Zones inflatable oil can barricade. And if you haven't seen our unboxing review on that, just click the card here and check that out. I've got the mag here loaded with 10 rounds of the darts that come with it. A little bit more about this that's super cool is a nice easy access. You can see that. Jam door, so you can access any jam darts that you might have.
It's like nice and smooth.
Yeah, it's a real easy open and close. One thing that's a little awkward here is the magazine release. You've got your rev button here, your trigger, and the mag release, you just kind of have to use the top of your trigger finger to push in to release it, rather than having that mag release down here that one wants to normally use. That's one thing there, but again, I'm sure they did that for aesthetic purposes to keep it keep true to the Fortnite Scar look. But let's go ahead and send all 10 rounds downrange and see what this thing can do stock.
It seems like it has a pretty good pop when you rev it all the way.
Yeah.
Popping back at you.
Not bad.
What do you think the FPS on that thing is?
I'm, you know, you got me on that. I wish we had our chronometer data.
I know, it wouldn't, that's the thing, it doesn't really work for that though, so.
Yeah, no, it's a large barrel, not ours at least, but maybe if we had one of those other more professional ones that we got to get one day, we could get the FPS on that. But of course, we are good performance stock, but we're definitely not going to leave it like that. We're going to definitely amp this baby up in our upcoming video when we mod the inside of this. But there it is, guys, the Nerf Fortnite Scar. Alright everybody, hope you enjoyed watching our unboxing review of this Fortnite Scar. If you haven't subscribed to our channel already, just click the double D icon below. You'll help us create more cool content for your enjoyment and inspiration. Until next time, I'm Jonathan.
And I'm Chandler.
And this is Damaged Darts.